Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a quick refurbish on this vintage electronic football made by Tiger video game, made in 1987. I bought this at a yard sale, so I'm going to attempt to fix it and restore it. This way I can resell it. It's in rough shape. So someone decided to leave the batteries in and it exploded. You can see all that corrosion. So what I'm going to do is take it all apart, clean it really good, put it all back together, and get it going. First thing is to get these batteries out of here, and I'm having a real hard time. There we go. With it. Man, look at the pressure that was put onto that battery. It's pressed in. So is that one. Should have brought a piece of paper towel, clean up. Next thing I'm going to do, take it apart. There we have it. Alright, a lot of corrosion in here. The terminal has some corrosion. I can't even take it out. There we go. I think I got it. There it is. Finally. I'm going to leave this side. It's perfectly fine. And I just fucked up. This wire here broke. So I might have to resolder that. And the only thing is I'm looking at this, and it's going to be hard to solder that. Nothing much there. So in this case, since this happened, I'm going to go further and take out the motherboard. There we go. Wow. This thing is a mess. Alright, so now the cleaning part. Here we have it. Now we need to take care of that wire. Solder time. Making sure nothing's attached here in between. Okay, looking good. Alright, now to put it all back together. And this is going to be cute because I literally have the screen totally apart. And I don't remember which way I went. Yeah. I do know that this one goes here. Okay, that's one. I think. Yeah, right? This one would have to go there. That's the template. Yeah. See how that goes. I'll go like that, huh? That would go something like that. Okay, it's making sense. And then I do know that this one goes behind here. So, then that would go here. See how that looks. Somehow that don't look right. That does not look right. Let's see if this looks better without that black screen. Yeah, see, that looks nice. So maybe this goes here. No, it would go in the front. I am screwed. Unless this goes back here. This goes to the front. That goes in there. Oh, oh, got one. This one goes in here. Then those two go on top of each other like that. This will go in here. Shit. Yeah, I should have paid attention. I don't want to touch that. Let me see if that looks right. Yeah, that don't look too bad. I'm going to go with that. Alright, so these little buttons, basic cleaning. I didn't show it on camera, but you get the idea. Just clean it. Just get it done. Okay, these little nipples here go inside those little holes here on the directional pad. There's 4 of them. Oops. There you go. One more. Oh man. Everything is just so delicate in these little things. Okay. Then we have these here to Common sense how it goes. Just like that. Press them in. Alright, that looks good to me. Actually, what's going on over here? Oh, okay. Very weird design on that part. Yeah. Looks good. These here. Another one. And again, those little suction cups. I'll show you one up close up so you can see what's up with that. Let me turn this screen over. Damn it. Okay. Got a nipple there. Now the fun part, getting this to stay here without ripping any more wires. So it's here, it's going to lay it here like this, and I'm going to take the motherboard and bring it right down, just like this. And remember, I cleaned this. Did I even show it on film? I don't know, but you want to go with alcohol and go with either Q-tip or a cloth, or either with a Q-tip, a microfiber cloth, whatever it may be. Clean it all up. This here so I can hold it up. And now, hopefully, see here, these things has to be debris free. Now if I'm laying flat, this thing's gonna rise. So I need something down here as well, like that. Okay, set it down, bring it down. Just wants to close on you, and line it up. Hold it, hold it. All right, I've got it into place. I'm just gonna put a few screws on either end. To hold it down, and then I can go from there. Alright, so that's good. And I can take that out of there. That can stay like that. That looks good. Put all the screws back in. Alright, moment of truth. Actually, I should press that one first and then this one. Okay. It's actually turned on. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, now I see. So that's good. It works. As you can see, very clean. Ready to rock and roll once again. 1987 Tiger Electronics Incorporated electronic football handheld video game. That is how you refurbish, restore a device. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. On to the next project we go. Cheers.